Hi friends. So today we'll be discussing about the fear of success. Can you believe that you are so afraid of your success that you are stopping it somehow? You won't believe that, right? So we will play a 10 minutes guided game uh, with an insight that you can directly use for yourself to realize the emotional shift, epiphany, and especially around fear that success will demand a bigger version of you. So let us start with the game, and the first is the bigger you test, as you can see in the screen. Purpose of this is to reveal how fear of success, not failure, is quietly running decisions. Close your eyes for a moment. This is not a thinking exercise. This is an honesty exercise. You don't need to fix anything today. You only need to see clearly because what you can see no longer controls you. Let us start with the first point, the present you scan. Now, imagine your current life as it is today. Your role, your routine, your income, your responsibilities. Ask yourself silently, where am I comfortable but not excited? Where am I capable but not expanding? Where am I busy but not impactful? Your insight can be comfort is not laziness. It is often a safety agreement you made with fear. Do you realize that? Now, slowly, let us get to the next point, the bigger you door. Now, imagine a door opening in front of you. Behind this door is a bigger version of you, not more skilled, not more intelligent, just more visible, more responsible, more influential. Before opening the door, notice what thoughts appear. People will expect more from me. I won't get time for myself. If I grow, I can't hide anymore. If I succeed, I must maintain it. Do you ask yourself such questions? At least at the back of your mind? This is the moment most people confuse growth with burden. You don't know, but your growth might be appearing like a burden for you. Now, point number three, the cost comparison. Here is the game twist. Ask two questions back to back. Question one, what will this bigger version demand from me? Let answers come, energy, decisions, visibility, leadership, boundaries, or what is current version quietly costing me? Delayed impact, suppressed income, unused voice, smaller legacy. Now, the epiphany moment can be most people fear the price of growth but ignore the interest they pay on staying small. So, here is the REVITALEX reframe. Gently reframe using REVITALEX, which is our method, which I, as a coach, extend that exercise to you depending on your own circumstances. I am Sangeeta, I am a significance coach, and I empower people to gain the most of who themselves are. Resilience is you have already survived harder phases. Vision is this isn't ambition, it is alignment. Time management is growth simplifies before it complicates. Acceptance. You don't have to become someone else. Legacy. Someone is waiting for what you carry. Expansion. Growth is not addition, it is expression. So, you won't believe these are the 6 ways with which you can actually reframe your mind. The insight is the bigger version of you doesn't demand more, it demands truth from you. Now, let us go to the last point, which is closing anchor. Take a deep breath, complete this sentence silently. I am afraid of dash. Whatever came up, that is your real work. What are you afraid of? And that is exactly what we unpack together in our Sunday session at 2 p.m. You don't need a new strategy. You need permission to step into the version you already are. Did you know this? I would like you to come to the Sunday session at 2 p.m. and we will unpack all this for you. If you are confused, if you have questions, we can resolve that then and there. Or if you need something else, then also we can go for that support. So, see you in those sessions that I conduct. Or alternatively, there is a link I have given out here. You just join that link. Thank you for being here.